Hi guys, welcome to today's digital SAT math masterclass. So let's begin. The first problem is flashing right on your screen. So the problem is as follows. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are geometrically similar triangles. And if you remember what are similar triangles are same in shape but not in size. The ratio of the matching side lengths of a triangle ABC to triangle DEF is exactly 1 to 3. Now we have a clue. This is ABC, this is DEF. What they're saying, the ratio of corresponding side length of triangle ABC to DEF is 1 to 3. So AB to DE is 1 to 3, BC to EF is 1 to 3, AC to DEF is 1 to 3. If the area of the smaller triangle, say ABC, is 12 square units, what is the area? Let's say it's capital A. What is the area for this one? So if you know area is proportional to side length squared, so if the ratio of the side length is corresponding side lengths is 1 to 3, the ratio of areas of the two triangles would be 1 to 3 square, which is 1 to 9. So if the area of triangle ABC is 1, area of triangle DEF would be 9, which means if area of triangle ABC is 12, area of triangle DEF would be 12 multiplied 9, which is 108 square units. Got it? So coming to the next question, this is the next one. Now what does it say? In a right triangle, one of the acute angles is represented by x degrees. It is given that sine x is 5 by 13. What is the exact numerical value of the expression cos 90 minus x? See, this question in an exam setting, you can do it in multiple ways. The first thing, if you know cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, if you are aware of this property, sine pi by 2 minus theta or sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, and subsequent relations for other trigonometric ratios. If you are aware of that, this can be easily done. Cos 90 minus theta will be just sine x, and sine x is given 5 by 13. So the answer will be 5 by 13 because cos 90 minus x is sine x. What if you don't know this relation? What will you do? You will draw a right angle triangle ABC. Quickly draw a right angle triangle. Label this angle as x. This angle is 90 degree. So this angle will be 90 minus x. Now what are they giving? Sine x is 5 by 3. What is sine? Side opposite to hypotenuse. So if you remember this thing, it's a triplet 5, 13. If it's a right triangle, one of the sides is 5, hypotenuse 13. BC is supposed to be 12 because 13 square minus 5 square is 144, which is 12 square. Now cos 90 minus x. This angle is 90 minus x. Cos of A, this angle A, cos of A is side adjacent, which is 5, for hypotenuse, which is 30. So cos 90 minus x is cos A, which is AB, which is side adjacent to angle A, to AC, which is hypotenuse. So AB is 5, AC is 13. So even if you don't know the relation, this is how you can approach it and solve it in the stipulated time given in the SAT exam. Correct? So this was today's SAT practice questions. Practice more questions at home. If your SAT exam is coming, do practice, practice, and practice. Only practice is going to lead you success in the exam. Till then, goodbye. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can comment your questions and doubts on the comment section. Plus, if you want demo sessions, if you want regular classes to schedule regular classes with me, you can contact me via mail or WhatsApp.